Hello, guys. We're right here on Quaker Steak. We got a auto show for Walter, and it's Nostalgic Minds, and we are here helping him and parking the cars and everything. We're gonna be recording and showing you what is going on in this auto show, and we're gonna have pictures. Now we got merch. We got actual shirts. Now we're gonna have some hats soon. I'm working on that. We got the shirts, and please just comment and subscribe and be on the Facebook and Instagram, TikTok. That way you guys can see what we're posting, all the pictures and other things. So we are here on Nostalgic Minds, and we're gonna show you some things, and we're gonna be showing you the trophies and all that stuff and the cars. And I'm getting myself into more of the reels, but yeah, enjoy, and you guys are gonna see the guys, and probably we be talking a little bit. The reason I'm not doing too much of the talking is because every time I'm trying to say something at the moment and all that stuff is because we don't have a silent moment because of the music and then the copyright. But I got some other stuff that I can put in to entertain you guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So enjoy the cinematic and the moment that we talk, and we can actually interact a little bit later.
have an Improv Choice Nostalgic Award. Improv made this beautiful trophy. It's badass. And he gets to give it out and say who is his top choices.
How to take Walter and the guys over here. This is for Improv Live YouTube channel. YouTube channel. We're trying to give a trophy to the Hilux, the Toyota.
Make some noise for the Toyota Hilux. Toyota Hilux. Yes. All right, guys. Once again, thank you for coming. It was a great turnout. Yes, this is year one. We're coming back next year, and hopefully we come back stronger and better cars, like more cars, not better cars, because the cars were really nice this year. Thank you. Really quality cars, man. We're so thankful for everybody coming out. Thanks for the crew coming out, Ron. Thank you. All my crew, all my guys, thank you for coming. Hey, I appreciate everybody's support. Been doing it for the whole year, pushing it hard, and